Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. I'm super excited today because one of my new Invicta watches just came in the mail and I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. This is of course the Invicta Men's Disney Limited Edition automatic stainless steel casual watch, color in black, model 24416. That is what the Amazon product listing states, and I did open it up. I couldn't put the tissue paper in there properly, but I just wanted to make sure it wasn't a return because I just actually got one a couple of days ago from Amazon and it was a return. It was in a completely different box. It was in Invicta's yellow box, which is not what this limited edition one's supposed to be in. And it also had an LPNRR sticker on it. If you see that on any Amazon product, that means it was a return at some point and they're just reshipping it out. So it's not a new product. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, let's get on with this unboxing. So I'm going to lift off the lid here and immediately, as you guys can see, we got Mickey Mouse here, Disney branding and Invicta branding. And then we can pull this down and reveal that it says Invicta Limited Edition. This box is super premium. I'm going to slide it out of here. And you guys can see there's just some tissue paper in this box, but we can set that off to the side. That over there. And yes, a wrist check. This is the 8926 OB, but I'll have a review on that later. This is gonna be my third Invicta. This was my second. I had one about 4 years ago as well. So anyways, here is the box itself. Invicta Limited Edition, Disney. Give you a quick look around the box and Disney on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what we get inside. So here we have our little packets with the warranty information. So nothing too exciting in there, but good nonetheless. And we also get a little cleaning cloth that is super cool. Didn't get that with any of my other watches. And then in here, we've got more Disney branding as well as an instruction manual. And then we have the watch itself on a leather pillow, which is awesome. So here it is. And some gel for the trolls. So here is the watch. So let's go ahead and take it off of the pillow and set that right back in there. That's very nice, actually. Nicer than my other ones. And here is the watch, which it's got all of the plastic on it right now, but that's all right. Does it have the skeleton back? Yes, it does. That's awesome. Then we've got the tag here with the retail price of $695. Holy crap. So hopefully you guys aren't paying retail for this. But I'm gonna go ahead and take all this plastic off and give you guys a better look. All right, so I finally got all that plastic off. I found this funny, not returnable if tag is removed. But anyways, here is the watch itself. Look at that. That looks super cool. I do need to kind of wash it off, kind of see where they put that Cyclops on in the factory. This one's actually pretty straighter than my other Invicta. So far, everything is looking really good with this watch. I'm not seeing any glaring issues. The end links look good. All of the lume markers look good. I'll do a spin test of this just to see how it clicks. Sounds good. Get that lined up. Oh, must have missed it. Sometimes these don't line up perfectly, but we'll see. There we go. Perfectly lined up. Wow, this thing looks awesome. So the back, obviously see-through, and this one is limited edition. I got the Invicta engraved on the side. This one is number, let me look at the back again, hold on. This is number 42 out of 3,000. So these are pretty limited and got one of the lower numbers, which is pretty cool. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, again, links down below. I think this is just a coated normal band, so it's kind of like mine, except it's coated in black. So hopefully we'll see how that stands up to wear and tear, but so far this thing looks really good. Super impressed with this. Got the little Mickey logo right there. Zoom in so you guys can see it. That looks pretty sweet. Now, of course, I'll have to, shine it up and everything, but this looks really good. And these lume hands, I do like them a little bit more than my version, which you guys can see there. So these look a little bit more modern and nice. This is the NH35A automatic movement in it. So it is reliable, it's proven, it's a very good movement. So I'm very happy that Invicta continues to use this. So this thing will last for probably quite some time and it will have really good accuracy with regards to the time. Now it is in the middle of a date change, it looks like, but I'm not gonna mess with that too much. As you guys can see, 660 feet water resistant, 200 meters. If you guys wanna see a full review on this, I know a lot of you guys are probably like, what the heck, a watch on a iPhone channel or Apple channel. I know, but I've done a review like in the past on that Rolex Yachtmaster. I really do like watches, so these from time to time will go up on the channel. I'll be doing a review of my Invicta that I'm wearing right now as well. I actually got this watch for someone else, so I will be giving that to them and hopefully they enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying just looking at it. This thing looks really good. So that's all I got for this unboxing video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.